So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on S on your keyboard. Now you want to find server. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. And now we're going to scroll down until we find workstation. We're going to scroll down until we find workstation, double click on it, and then do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down until we find SMB 1.0. You want to tick this box. Now you want to expand it. Make sure that everything here has been ticked. All the SMB has been ticked. And then click on OK. It's now going to start searching for required files. Wait for this to load. And now once you've installed that, the problem should now be fixed. It might say for you to restart your computer after you've installed that. So if you restart your computer, come back into Windows and it should now fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to click on the three dots right here. And then click on Map Network Drive. And now once you're on this, in this box right here, you want to type in the IP address with the shared folder name instead of your computer name. And then once you do all of that and then you select your drive, you want to click on Finish, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.